3D printed rotary engine. The whole crank assembly and cylinders rotate in this version. Air inlet down through there, through the center of the shaft, goes to these points here and injects air into the top of the cylinder, and there's an out port. I put the out port on the wrong side, it should have been on that side because it spins this way. Made a brass center pin because the printing one breaks, it's too small. I gave it some oil. The pistons have some rings, but I also have non-ring piston. I put 2 rings on the pistons I'm using here, and it needs like 170 psi, but let's see if we can get this to spin. It wasn't 120 psi, so it's not too bad. First attempt. I did it in Tinkercad. I'll probably post the files. I did have to super glue in the tapped holes. I first tapped them by hand, a couple of them, and they were too big, so I used the battery drill with the tap and they were much better. But I still put super glue in the holes and then screwed them in, and that was nice and tight. So next thing to do is to make one on the mini lathe. I'm going to make a metal one. This is just a prototype, see if the plans actually worked. And then that's going to be a steam version.